Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. If you are a young man who wants to attract the attention of older women, it means that you are an extraordinary man and have a different personality from other men. But remember, older women are certainly more mature or experienced, and more selective in choosing a partner. But don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, you will find a comprehensive guide to equip you and give you a step-by-step roadmap to successfully attract the attention of the older women you desire. You will appear attractive, confident, unique, and full of charm. 8 ways to attract an older woman. You are my good best friend. Support this channel to develop further by pressing the like button, subscribing, good comments and sharing if this video is useful. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Show sincere feelings for her. To make a genuine connection with an older woman, show a sincere interest in her life. Ask about her interests, her weekend activities, and her meaningful relationships. It's not about prying or interviewing her. It's about conveying that you genuinely want to understand her as an individual beyond her age. 2. Don't talk about age too often. Discuss age gap is perfectly fine, but avoid making it a constant topic of conversation. Dwelling on it excessively can be off-putting and may make you appear insecure. It's best to build a connection based on shared interests, values, and experiences, rather than focusing on your age difference. 3. Have confidence in yourself. Confidence is a very interesting thing. Even if you're still finding your way in life, don't let your insecurities show when you're with an older woman. Focus on showing positive self-esteem when you're around her. Embrace who you are, enjoy socializing with others, and radiate enthusiasm for her. Confidence, even in a younger person, can be incredibly appealing. 4. Avoid talking about your teenage years. Avoid discussions that highlight your youth, such as high school experiences, junior activities, or topics that emphasize the age gap. Focus on subjects that showcase your maturity and experiences beyond your age. 5. Be independent. Demonstrate that you have your own life, interests, and friends. Avoid appearing clingy or overly available. Make sure she understands that you have a busy and fulfilling life outside of your interactions with her. Showing independence can be attractive and affirm your maturity. 6. Act mature. Maturity may not come naturally as a teenager, but it's essential when trying to impress an older woman. Women typically mature faster than men, and this age gap becomes more noticeable when you're several years younger. Work on controlling your emotional reactions, responding reasonably to setbacks, and minimizing behaviors like vulgar language and excessive joking. Show her you can handle your emotions and handle life's challenges gracefully. 7. Treat her right. Treating an older woman right means being a gentleman. This may be a new concept, but it simply involves showing her kindness and respect. Open doors for her, compliment her genuinely, and maintain good personal hygiene and dressing. Arrive on time or even a little early to demonstrate that she is important to you. Also, consider planning romantic or thoughtful dates, even if you have a limited budget. 8. Be honest and be yourself. Don't lose sight of who you are in the pursuit of impressing an older woman. Being authentic is crucial. If you have unique interests or hobbies, don't hesitate to share them with her. Let her see the qualities your friends appreciate in you, and maintain a light-hearted demeanor. While working on self-improvement, always stay true to your genuine self. In the quest to attract an older woman, it's essential to remember that age is but a number, and genuine connections transcend it. Remember that confidence, maturity, respect, Kindness and authenticity are the cornerstones of any successful relationship. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.